welcome back to the channel, man. Listen, man, this is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Man, this sucker back in for a P0128. Now, before or even if I just stick another thermostat on, I'm gonna go through some preliminary procedure. And this is a couple of tips, man. You have to make sure that you are full of coolant. The system is properly filled and free of air. In other words, there's no air pockets or anything like that. Because you gotta keep in mind what P0128 stands for. That's thermostat rationality, but it basically means the engine is running too cold, too long. Okay, they want these cars to get up to normal operating temperature as quick as possible, right away. It's a term we used to use back in the day, closed loop. We wanted the car to reach normal operating temperature quick, so closed loop would start happening. Basically, that's for emissions, emission purposes. Now, I'm not saying that to say belittle emissions, because no, that's very important, but that's one of the reasons they wanted to reach normal operating temperature quick. So that one little tip, make sure the coolant is filled, properly filled and free of air. And there was something else I wanted to talk about, and what thermostat you use. Now, she said hers just been replaced. I don't know what they stuck in it. The quality of the part used matters, okay? We here at the dealer, we only use OEM, so I don't know what kind of thermostat it was put on. So it's hard for a customer to come in and say, I just had this done. I can't need that. There's no way I need it again. Yes, there's a way. I don't know how. Computers can't really tell if you got an OEM part or not. It just, I don't know if quality is really being tested. I don't know how that works, but we use OEM. So if they use OEM, then it's simply a Mopar warranty job. But she can't provide any of that data, so we're going to assume it's an aftermarket thermostat. I have nothing against aftermarket. It's just we here use OEM. So like I say, I'm gonna check all that preliminary stuff before I just stick an O2 thermostat on it. And another thing, the flash update. There's a flash out there that desensitized this code. All right, I assume it was easy to set this code. So Chrysler, you got to get approval for, you know, any kind of flash update. So I assume they got it approved and they want us to flash it and I guess desensitize it. That makes sense. So now I'm not going to film the replacing thermostat part because I already done that. I did a damn good video on that a while back. Matter of fact, I'll link it below if you want to see how the thermostat replacement is done by me. Now everybody do it different, so don't knock the way I do it because you saw somebody else doing it totally different. That's just the way they do it. I'm gonna show you the JT way, okay? To me, that's the best way. You're gonna always think your way is the best way. So I'm not gonna film replacing the thermostat. I am gonna end up replacing because she's raising hell. She wants her check engine light out, and that seems to be the only way to get it out. So I'm gonna replace the thermostat again. I'm gonna flash update it, and I'm gonna make sure the coolant is properly filled and free of air. That should solve that P0128 problem for good, until the computer see the problem again. But I don't think that's going to happen because again, I question the quality of the thermostat that was installed in the first place. So I don't want this video to be long. So man, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.